Good afternoon. This is Daryl Peelan. I am trying to solve the problem of getting the pins on a integrated circuit to be able to match the socket that I'm putting them in. I'm getting ready to build a board with a number of ICs, and I'm tired of having to take my fingers and roll like this because I get inconsistent results. So you can see if you try to put it on to the socket, you can see that the pins do not line up as they come out of the tube that you bought from a company like DigiKey. So to solve that problem, I went to my fail-safe solution, which is to 3D print a device to put the IC in, bend the pins, and then be able to get it to match up to the socket with very little effort. Certainly not the manual method that I have been using of rolling the ICs by hand. So this particular design has 5 components. It's got the base, the 2 sides, and then it has the mounting dowels in here as well. I also went to the effort to try to design a single print piece. It's not quite as flexible in terms of the pieces moving because of support left over in there from the slicer. So it does work, but it just takes a little bit more effort to manipulate it. So I figured for a more repeatable result, I would use the one that had the multiple parts, and this is a pretty easy print. So you open it up like that, take the IC, put it in upside down. You use a pair of tweezers to put it into the device so it's in there nice and snug on the bottom. You fold in the pins like that, or the sides, release it, go ahead and fish it out with the electrostatic tweezers. And now the pins are bent to the appropriate spot, and they should be very, very close to just putting into the machine pin sockets with no issues at all. You can see that I just laid it in there, and it's already in the sockets perfectly aligned. All you have to do is simply press, and it's set into the board. And at this point, much easier to do than what I was doing, which was a manual guess. So now I've got a device that will go ahead and bend it to the appropriate spots when it comes in. I'm going to post this design on Thingiverse under my name, Daryl Peelan, so you should be able to find it should you want to do it. And because I don't only use ICs that are the 16, 14, 20 pin variety, I also have to use 8250s or 8255s and Z80s, and I need to bend them. So I have another design that supports the 40 pin and 28 pin variety of ICs. Thank you much for listening, and I hope this was useful.